Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a Salsa Verde chicken casserole using 2 cups of shredded chicken that I had left over from a previous meal, 1 cup of sour cream, 3/4 cup of Salsa Verde, and 1 4-ounce can of chopped green chilies. Once the chicken and the salsa have been mixed together, it can be set over to the side, and I'll bring in a 9x9 inch casserole. Let me move that out of the way so you can see a little bit better. And I'll start off by coating the bottom with about 1/4 cup of the salsa. Once the salsa's been evenly coated, I'll top that off with 4 corn tortillas, followed by half of the chicken and salsa mixture. I've gone ahead and topped off the chicken with 1 cup of diced tomatoes, as well as about 1/8 of a cup of sliced green onion. Next on is going to go 1 cup of pepper jack cheese, though you could use Monterey Jack here. Once the cheese is on, it gets followed by 4 more corn tortillas. I've given the casserole a good press down just to help even out those bottom layers. Next on goes the remaining chicken, the remaining 1 cup of tomatoes, the remaining 1/8 cup of sliced green onions, and finally the remaining 1 cup of cheddar jack cheese. This is now ready to go into a 400-degree oven where it's going to bake for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the cheese is melted and it's nice and bubbly. Once the Salsa Verde chicken casserole came out of the oven, I went ahead and allowed it to sit out on the counter for about 15 minutes just to allow it to set up and to cool down a little bit. I've garnished it with a little bit of the remaining Salsa Verde and some more sour cream and just a little bit more green onion. Now all I have left to do is dive in and try it out. I do want to make sure I get a little bite of everything here. That looks pretty good. This turned out absolutely delicious. There is a little pop of heat from the Salsa Verde, though that is easily customizable. And again, you can switch out the cheese for just a plain Monterey Jack if you're not looking for too much heat. I think this would also be really good with some shredded pork in place of the chicken, kind of change it up. It's certainly a great use of leftover and pantry ingredients. Overall, this is something I will definitely be making again, and I hope you give it a try soon. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Girl. Hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.